Put 2 magnets on each side of the cup. The water in the cup turns into a tornado. Break 5 toothpicks in the middle, arranged as in the video. Drop water into the middle. The toothpick becomes a star. Sneak out Dad's treasured CD. Tear off the surface of the disc with tape, then heat it up with fire. Blow a super series of bubbles with force. Cut the branch of a white rose into 4 petals. Soak it in 4 different colors of paint. Wait for 24 hours. You will have a colorful rose. The water will spill when the glass is turned upside down. Just cover it with newspaper. Water will be sealed in the glass. Pour a glass of red wine and water separately. Cover a card like this and put the cups together. Pull out a slit. A miraculous scene appeared. The red wine and water switched places. Pour the boiling hot water over. Put a piece of ice at the bottom of the bottle. The water in the bottle boiled again. Mix vegetable oil and toner together. Take a magnet and put it near the magnetic fluid, and many thorns will grow. Did you learn how to do that?